So this is how the day is going. All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Chris and I just had some breakfast at our hotel, and we are at the foothill of basically Big Cottonwood Canyon at the gear shop. Yesterday when we were riding, Chris kind of noticed that he needed some lower light lenses, which I don't blame him for. Actually, the other day when I was at home, I needed some low light lenses because I just knew it was going to be a storm surge out here, and I don't have any low light lenses that are like compatible with the goggles that I wear right now. So we both just bought a pair for like 45 bucks here. Cool little shop if you guys are ever around, but I think we're gonna go pack up our stuff, get in the car, and then make our way up to Little Cottonwood Canyon and Snowbird. Let's go. All right, gang, so Chris and I just parked on the far east side of the resort. I think we're gonna go on one of the lifts over here because there's a little bit of traffic driving up Little Cottonwood Canyon, and I'm guessing the aerial train might be a little packed this morning. Good news, they reported about 10 to 12 inches overnight for Snowbird in the surrounding area, and they're actually thinking that there's gonna be another 6 to 10 inches of snow accumulation throughout the day. So pumped, already got all of our gear on pretty much before we got up here just so we wouldn't be fighting the snow in my car again like yesterday. My car was filled with snow and pretty much just water by the time we got done skiing at Brighton yesterday. So learn from your mistakes. We're gonna grab our gear, skis, poles, boots. Let's have a day, you guys. We were actually waiting in line to get on Gadzoom, and the line was, it wasn't too long, but it was still like a waiting process to have the line like actually run. But Chris actually noticed that the mid-Gad lift line just next to Gadzoom was possibly gonna lift because there's a lifty down there that was just kind of brushing some snow off and getting the line right. There was maybe like 5 people in front of us, so we're literally like the 3rd chair to go up right now. Looks so beautiful outside right now, guys. Like there's literally no tracks anywhere below us, so the fact that we're gonna get some fresh laps in for our first run up here at Snowbird is absolutely amazing. All right, gang, just got off of mid-Gad. Oh my Lord. This snow is already looking so good for the day. I don't know if you guys watched one of my previous videos of Winter Park where I said this is pretty much the most POW I've ever skied in Colorado. Well, that can still say the truth. But I think today is gonna be an all-time powder day for me no matter what, because we just got off mid-Gad and just like putting our boots on, we were almost falling in all the snow off to the side of the run. Well, you go first. Let's see how I do. Oh man. Oh baby, this is so good. Whoa! Oh, shots fired. Chris just lit me up. That's what you get for waiting for somebody on a run. Oh man. The snow right now is a little different too than anything I've really experienced. Like we're getting a little bit of snowdrops right now, but it's not like, it's not wet snow and it's not dry snow. It's kind of weird. It's like, oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. The snow's like little hail pellets.
So now that we're going a little faster, it just hurts the face. You gotta be kidding me. Oh baby, just leaning back, you guys. I think we're gonna do that same one again. Let's have a day.
Just breathe.
Might as well.
Woo! Let's take this thing higher, higher than you ever been. Stand tall like Everest. I mean higher. You ain't gotta settle in. Go places that never been. We go higher, no stop. Take it to the top, even when the ball drops. My man, we go higher. It's time to go higher. Let's take this thing higher. Higher than you ever been. No stop, stand tall like Everest. My man, we go. It's time to go. Let's take this thing. Let's take this thing higher. No stop, it's time to go. We going higher than this. My man, we keep running, ain't no calling it quits. Look at the time and the risk, ain't no time to coexist. I want more than what they offer, I'm pulling my fist. Out on my own, I do my own thing. Woo! Taking it higher than soul flame. Words of the wise, never be okay. With mediocrity, do better than no day. Breathe, breathe, just breathe. Woo! Let's take this thing higher, higher than you ever been. Stand tall like Everest. I mean higher. You ain't gotta settle in. Go places they never been. We go higher, no stop. Take it to the top, even when the ball drops. My man, we go higher. Let's go. It's time to go higher. Let's take this thing. Take it to the top. Oh yeah, higher than you ever been. No stop, stand tall like Everest. My man, we go. It's time to go. Let's take this thing. Woo! Let's take this thing. No stop. It's time to go.
It's a good day, you guys. It's a good day.
Higher than you ever been. Stand tall like Everest. I mean higher. You ain't gotta settle in. Go places that never been. We go higher. Take it to the top, even when the ball drops. My man, we go higher. It's time to go higher. Let's take this thing. My man, we go. It's time to go. Let's take this thing higher. Let's take this thing. No stop. It's time to go higher.
All right, you guys, after ripping up a bunch of runs off of Creekside, Chris and I were actually trying to go over and do like Peruvian lift or even like go to the tram or Center Village, but it seems like everything over there is actually closed for the day. So it's actually good we didn't try to make the trek over there, but they just opened GAD 2 and we've done a couple runs off here right now. And you guys, this is the deepest POW that I've ever ridden. We're literally in the middle of a groomed run and there's like 1.5 to 2 feet of fresh powder. This is like an absolute all-time day. I don't even know if I can like film with my selfie stick anymore just because of how much snow we actually have underneath us. Like it's hard enough to turn for me right now. We were even gonna go try to get some lunch around noon, and I asked Chris a little bit ago, like, what time is it? And he said it was already 2 o'clock. So we've just been having such a ball, such a blast all day so far. So we're gonna get back out there, get back on the GAD 2, and maybe do a couple more runs at a few different lifts. But guys, this is an all-time day for me right now. Let's go. What is this? Fresh tracks. What is up? Woo!
All right, gang, so Chris and I just got back to the car, and that was honestly one of the coolest experiences of my life. Like, I know I've heard all kinds of stories about Snowbird getting all kinds of snow lately, and pretty much all of Utah in general. Like I said earlier, we were in the middle of a groomer, and we put one of our ski poles down, and it went down like 1.5 to 2 feet. And the fact that it's still snowing hard, and it's gonna be snowing again for the next probably 24 hours before this even lets up, is just insane. Once again, Utah lived up to every expectation that I have. I don't know if we're gonna be skiing here tomorrow. We may actually be driving like the 6 hours back to Steamboat, Colorado on the way home and stopping there to ski, but either way, Utah just blew every expectation that I could possibly have, and just had an awesome time out here with my buddy Chris. Actually, in a few weeks, my wife Savannah and I are actually gonna be coming back out here with a few friends. So Utah, we are not done yet. We're gonna be coming back here at the end of January for 4 more days of skiing, so I cannot wait. I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching. Hope to see you oot in a boot. We'll see you guys in the next one. Can't even talk, my jaw's frozen.